this smells like someone else. Hey guys! It is one day before I leave. I'm leaving tomorrow morning for Japan. You know, the grind never stops, and I'm gonna film a haul for you guys, and I'm also gonna be filming probably a vlog of me traveling. So you know, it's a little crazy. I'm leaving tomorrow and I haven't packed anything at all because I need to show you guys everything before I packed everything. So yeah, let's just get into it. This is gonna be just kind of like all over the place. Okay, so starting off, here are these scrunchies. It came in a 3 set from Forever 21. It was really cheap, and I really only wanted the pink velvet one, but it also came with this silver velvet and this random scrunchie. God, I'm like shaking because I'm so hungry. For Urban Outfitters, I love their bags because they're reusable and we love the planet, you know. I just got this sweatshirt type of dealio. It's like this rainbow. It goes all down the arms, and it's kind of like retro vintage 70s. I don't even know what I'm talking about because I wasn't even born then. I got it with my friend Emily, so we're like twinning. It was on sale, so that was awesome. Ooh, I also got these pajama pants. They're striped in blue. I hope this doesn't remind you of the boy in the striped pajamas. Just need some new PJ pants for the dorm. And then, oh, also I got this North Face jacket. I'm just like going random and like picking out solo items. But it's like this fleece blue one. It's like very furry in the inside. And I just really needed one for Japan because it's gonna get cold. And let's see if I survive winter. These Calvin Klein jeans. And these are the high-rise ankle skinnies. This is unzipped. How embarrassing. I love these jeans. They fit really awesomely. It like hits right above the ankle so I can show off my ankles, my best feature. Like my favorite type. It just says Calvin Klein jeans. This is like a giant brown patch. It shrinks every time in the wash and it kind of kills me. Stomach is like Also from Forever 21, I got this pink and white striped sweater. It's not really my style, but I'm really excited for the winter. From Las Vegas, I got random stuff. So I got this Las Vegas tote bag. It's black and white one, a little more chic, a little more mature. This is what I got today, but I got Lindt chocolate from Target for my dorm manager. And I also got one of these for my dorm manager. Oh, I got this Las Vegas shirt. It's a little bit crazy vibrant, so I don't know how I feel about that, but I cropped it because I don't like it when it's super long. I also got this other Las Vegas shirt, but it's in the wash. It's like a gray shirt. I won a lot and it wasn't from gambling. It was actually from Circus because I go there every time. I'm still a kid and I won this unicorn stuffed animal, and it was like a basketball game thing. It was a really small basketball game, but you know, nevertheless, I got 2 in and I won this. I don't mean to like flex on y'all, but like I'm basically Kobe. A little cheaply made. It's balding. And then I got this little stuffed animal. It's so cute. It's like this unicorn and it's so squishy. So today I found this store called Miniso. It's Miniso Japan, but I don't think it is. It's actually like an outsourced or like a foreign brand. You guys are gonna be so excited when you see this. Actually, I don't know if you guys are going to be, but please be excited for me. Look at this neck pillow. You guys are probably like, what is that weird ball sack looking thing hanging from the bottom? That is a bear hood. If you guys watch We Bare Bears, is a character from there, and are you kidding me? Ooh, it's ready?
The prophecy is true.
Do I look adorable or what? This is gonna be me on the plane. Also, my mom just got this car air freshener. Who cares about car air fresheners? From Topshop in Las Vegas, there was like a giant Topshop. I just got one thing. This jumpsuit, this pink jumpsuit with blue and white stripes. It's so adorable, and right here has a little bow and a cutout. It's a little provocative, so I'm probably gonna wear like a white crop top underneath, but I need to go find one. I know people don't like that style, but you know what, I have to do what I have to do. Moving on to Brandy Melville, I have 2 bags here. It looks like I got a lot, but I only got 2 things on 2 separate occasions. So first thing I got was this top. You've probably seen everywhere. It's kind of basic, but I really like it. It has like this vintage 50s car. I actually know nothing about cars, so don't quote me on that, but the back says Motor Show and all these different little cities. And yeah, I really like it. My dad actually said this shirt was cool, so you know what? Bonus, right? I got this long sleeved top that says Newport, and it's just long sleeve, and I was trying this on actually, and I was like, this smells like someone else, so I should probably get another one when I'm gonna buy it. And I never switched it out because I forgot. It smells like someone's perfume. It actually smells really good. For shoes, I got 2 new pairs of shoes that I'm excited about. So I got these. I already wore this. This is the Puma suede in this like rose color, and I'm so excited to have these. So adorable. Ew. It's not poop, guys. It's like some fig or something from a tree. But I was so excited to see these because these are so cute, and they've been all over Instagram. I got these Nikes right here, and these are the Nike Training City Trainer. I don't know, there's a lot of training words in there. It's just like a basic black shoe sneaker. I just needed some sneakers. I don't really work out, but I just wear them for day-to-day life. I'm like shaking. I can feel my blood levels shooting up. I'm gonna get sushi later with my family for my last dinner before I leave to Japan, which doesn't make much sense because it's sushi, but you know, it's good sushi, so. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the time this goes up, I'm probably already in Japan. But yeah, you should leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!